How to restart Windows 11 in safe mode. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, there's a few different methods to do this. The easiest one is if you go ahead and restart just as you normally would. However, before you even press the restart button, go ahead and hold down your shift key on your keyboard and then click restart. Then once your PC restarts, all you gotta do is click troubleshoot, then advanced options, and then startup settings, and then restart. And then after it reboots again, press 4 for standard safe mode or 5 for safe mode with networking, which means internet. What you could also do is press the Windows key and R like this, and you're going to see this little run thing. Type in ms config like so, and then it's going to open up this little system configuration thing. And then what you got to do is under boot options, go over to that. And then once you're in boot options, check for safe boot. So you're going to see safe boot right here. So just make sure to check for that. And then once you go ahead and do that, you can have minimal as normal or network if you need the internet. And then all you're going to do is click apply and then click OK. And then obviously once you're done with safe boot, just go ahead and uncheck this. And then that's literally it. You'll be good to go.